So we have another airplane for sale now. This is a Starflight TX1000 Ultralight. Don't know the year, probably mid to late 80s or early 90s. I have another video on it called the Ultralight Airplane Barn Find, if you want to find out a little bit more of the history on it, about how we found it. I'll do a quick walk around of it. We're going to be asking $4,500 for it, and check in the description of the video for updated prices. But I'll do a quick walk around. In that last video I've kind of already did a walk around, but powered by Rotax 377, has a 3-gallon fuel tank. The rudder pedals actually do the rudder, and the stick does the elevator and the spoilerons. It has a bicycle front wheel with a bicycle brake that doesn't really do much. So I've got 21-inch Tundra tires on it right now, and that's not what it will be going with when it sells. What's on the cart that I bring it in and out of the hangar with, these steel wheelbarrow wheels and tire combo, that's what came with the plane, and that's what we're gonna let it go with. Oh, let's go over the airspeeds here. Stalls about 20. Cruises between 30 and 40 miles an hour. As far as the engine, I've done the timing on it. We've rebuilt the carburetor. Prop shaft is new. Pillow block and bearing is new. Belts are new, and it has a new small pulley on the prop shaft. A lot of AN bolts, nuts, and washers were replaced. It does say Exhaust Pros underneath the wing. I think at one point it was a local sponsorship. Come around here, I'll show you how the spoileron works. So when I turn, I use a combination of spoileron and rudder to try and make it as coordinated as I can. But with this much dehedral, it does most of its turning with the rudder. When you're not sitting in the seat, it has a little skid there on the tail post, and it sits on its tail. We've had this for, I don't know, maybe a couple months now, and I've put about 4 or 5 hours of flight time on it. It's running great, and it's a blast to fly. And it's pretty easy to fly. Marv actually just did his first flight with it this morning. But if you guys are interested, send me a comment. Just leave a comment, and I can give you my email and my phone number from there, and we can talk about it.